Did you know that by simply timing how long a star pulses, astronomers can measure the distance to galaxies millions of light years away? Today, we explore how period measurements unlock the universe. To understand distance in space, we often need a standard ruler. In astronomy, this is the Cepheid variable star, which acts as a cosmic clock where its time period directly correlates to its true brightness. The core principle is simple. The longer the pulsation period of a Cepheid variable, the larger its absolute luminosity. By measuring this time period, scientists know exactly how bright the star should be at a standard distance of 10 parsecs. Once we know its true brightness, we compare it to how dim it appears from Earth. This discrepancy allows us to calculate the vast distance across the cosmos, turning time into a precise measuring tape for the universe. This concept of relating a cycle to distance also applies to waves. A wave's wavelength is essentially the physical distance it travels during one complete period, connecting time and space through velocity. Similarly, Kepler's third law reveals that an object's orbital period is mathematically linked to its average distance from what it orbits, a relationship that governs everything from planets to binary stars. Ultimately, whether analyzing pulsating stars or oscillating waves, measuring the period of a cycle is the fundamental key to unlocking precise distance measurements throughout the physical world. The universe speaks in cycles, and learning their rhythm teaches us how far away everything truly is. What other scientific relationship did you find surprising? Let me know in the comments.